The world of science is abuzz with groundbreaking developments in biomaterials, a field poised to revolutionize healthcare. Recent innovations in bioelectronic materials are bridging the gap between electronics and the human body, offering promising applications like the brain-computer interface system by Neuralink, which has received FDA approval for human trials. These materials, often made from nanoscale substances and engineered polymers, are not only biocompatible but also bioresorbable, meaning they can be safely absorbed by the body after use. This eliminates the need for surgical removal, enhancing patient safety and recovery. In another leap forward, natural biomaterials such as chitosan and cellulose are being used to create multifunctional materials for medical applications, including injectable hydrogels for treating Parkinson's disease. Additionally, the advent of bioinks for 3D printing organs is opening new frontiers in patient care, allowing for the creation of accurate models for studying diseases and testing treatments. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are already being implemented in medical research and treatment, paving the way for a new era of medical technology.